Welcome back. These days, plastic surgery is a common practice for men and women of all ages hoping to enhance their looks. However, there are non-surgical alternatives for those who aren't quite ready to go under the knife. Here to tell us more about the top alternative options to plastic surgery is owner of Flawless Icon Med Spa, Melanie Fields. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you. You're welcome.
So, why are so many people turning to non-invasive options for plastic surgery?
Well, as you know, going under the knife, you have to be extremely healthy.
Right.
And the reason that they want to go under the knife is because, of course, they're overweight or they're trying to get rid of, fat in a particular area. So if you're not healthy, it can cause a major risk. You can die on the tables. A lot of major health, problems that can happen going under the knife.
Okay, so I want to talk about the top procedures for 2019, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so the first one that you mentioned was skin bleaching.
Yes.
So tell us about that.
I don't want to say skin bleaching.
Okay.
I want to say skin brightening.
Skin brightening.
Skin brightening because, of course, living in sunny Florida, the sun can put, a big dent in your skin.
Yeah.
When it comes to discoloration, dark spots, hyperpigmentation. So we have this new procedure. It's an injection which contains glutathione, vitamin C, it's an antioxidant, all natural, vegan, which helps to destroy toxins out of your body, clear up your skin, clear up your blood, and helps to brighten up the skin.
Okay, so I'm glad you mentioned that because there's been a lot of controversy recently because I know we've had the artist Spice who basically, she used the idea of skin bleaching as a way to sell albums because she wanted to make a statement about the brightening of one's skin for dark-skinned women.
Right.
Why is this so controversial, especially in the Black community?
Right. I mean, it goes way back to the slavery days.
Yeah.
When it was said, the lighter you are, the more privileged you are.
Gotcha.
So the darker ones worked out in the field, the lighter ones were with the royalty.
Okay.
So this was always something that never went away, especially in the industry. It's also another way to sell albums as well, so you can cater to the wide audience, not just the African Americans.
Well, let's talk about an example right here. We have Lil Kim.
Okay.
So as we can see clearly,
yes,
there's been some brightening, I would think.
Yes. I have some tea on that too.
Okay. Let's spill it.
I have some tea on that. Well, what I heard, she did an interview a few years ago, and she was saying that most of the guys she dated cheated on her with women that looked European.
Oh, wow.
So her thing was like, okay, if I'm getting cheated on these type of women, maybe I need to look like them. So the whole lightening of the skin, the nose jobs, the changing of the body, the hair, it goes down to being cheated on with European women. That was what she said.
Wow. and it looks like, from what we see here, she's had more than just the skin brightening.
The nose, the face, the whole looking European.
Okay. Can we get the Blac Chyna example as well? Because I know that we've talked a little bit about, she has her own, I guess, skin brightening product.
She's partnered with a company. Honestly, we all know Blac Chyna is about her money.
Right.
I'm not saying that she's endorsing. I mean, she is endorsing a product that brightens and bleaches the skin.
Yeah.
But I'm not saying that she is pro bleaching. I think she's just about her coins, honestly.
So you think this is more or less a thing about she's wanting to make some money, and we have an example right here. So we see that, definitely there's been some brightening.
I've known Chyna for a while. I've known her for always tanning. Maybe when she was young, being out in the, doing outdoor stuff and hitting the pool, we all get a tan. We get older, our skin brightens up because we know better to stay out the sun. But I've always known her for tanning. Always known her for tanning.
Okay.
And of course, if they're going to use her image because she has beautiful skin, a company will come in and, hey, let's partner up and sell this product, even though the product does promote skin bleaching.
Gotcha.
I don't want to say that she's actually using it to bleach the skin. She's just about her coins. We know Chyna's about her coins. Chyna's about her coins.
She is an influencer.
Yes.
Okay, so next, I want to talk about non-surgical laser liposuction. Now, why is this so popular in 2019?
2019, people want to go in, out. They want to be able to go to pool parties. They want to be able to hit the scene and not have to, downtime and be in pain. So the laser lipo non-surgical, what it does, it helps to puncture your fat cells doing a series of 8 sessions to help, tighten the skin and puncture fat cells.
Ah, okay.
So you don't have to go under the knife. Anesthesia's not required.
So there's no pain or less
whatsoever.
pain involved in this?
No pain at all.
How many inches can someone lose with something like this?
You can lose 1 to 3 inches on your first session.
Wow. Mm-hmm. Wow. Okay.
1 to 3 inches, yeah.
All right. So the next is non-invasive facelift and skin rejuvenation.
Yes.
Why is this so popular?
Skin rejuvenation helps to tackle fine lines and wrinkles, helps with the laugh lines. It's like a laser facelift without having to go under the knife.
Gotcha.
And anesthesia, of course, which is a big concern with a lot of people. And what it does, it helps to rejuvenate the skin, tackle fine lines and wrinkles, give you that extreme tightening that you want. Doing a series of 6 sessions once a month.
Okay. And so do you have any tips for people looking to take care of their skin this year? Like, are there any top, at-home things that they can do to, help with their skin problems? Because I feel like a lot of this is as a result of maybe overexposure to the sun, those sorts of things.
First of all, I would say get a really good organic cleanser. We tend to use a lot of harsh stuff, which is not beneficial to the skin because the skin is the largest organ. So you don't want to put too many chemicals into your pores, which gets into your bloodstream.
Yeah.
You always want to pat dry the face.
Gotcha.
A lot of people pull on the face, and that causes us to age faster.
Scrubbing.
Right.
And do you find that men are getting a lot more procedures?
Men are catching on to the wave. They're catching on to the wave. They're like, these lasers are looking fine. We need to go ahead and maintain our youth by doing these procedures that are non-invasive.
Which ones do you find that men are gravitating more towards?
Men are getting into skin.
They are?
Yes.
Okay.
I would say the radiofrequency facial, which is one of our popular treatments. Cardi B actually did this facial, which is for brightening and tightening, helping with discoloration, fine lines and wrinkles. It's very moderate, so you can leave the treatment and go straight to a party. There's no peeling, no downtime, and it's a couple of sessions. You should see a significant.
So a lot of these basically are for people who want to keep moving with life. They don't want the downtime of having to sit through a recovery and post-ops.
Right.
They just want to keep moving. That's what we're seeing for 2019.
Exactly. Non-invasive, non-intrusive.
All right. Well, awesome. Thank you so much for stopping and talking to us. We will be back with more Daily Flash right after this break.